What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seat, the bottom part of the rear seat from a Tesla Model 3. So let's get started. So to remove the rear seat, there's some clips, you can see them just here, so you push the clip in and then that's one, and there's another one over here. So we'll push the other one. Now the seat is loose, but there's one last thing we got to do, and that is to unclip the seat belt, the thing that detects if the passengers are sitting, and it's also a thing that it can basically tell if, I think it's the heated seats, that's what it is. So you lift this up a bit and then the clip's in here. So you just unclip it. It's a bit hard to do, but once you lift the seat out a little bit, you can get access to it. Just be careful not to pull on it, you don't want to break anything. And there's the clip, so you just push in. And off it comes. And then another one here, and you push in again. And off it comes. Oh, it's not coming out, this one. So I finally got the rear one removed. This clip here was trickier, I had to use two hands, so that's why you don't see the video. Anyway, let's remove the seat and I'll show you what it looks like with the seat removed from the car. So, it's loose now, you can just lift it up and take it out. Maybe we'll just fold it back for now. And in here, this is what is underneath the rear seat. Looks like the high voltage lines. And there are the clips here, so you can kind of see how they work. They just push in, and that's what clips into it. Here's from the other side. So you can see that's what detects the seat belts being plugged in. And looks like there's some more connectors here and cables. And here's a clip on the other side. You can see here it just pushes in, and that's what connects. I wonder if we fold them. You can actually find that it's useful to do this if you want to sleep in the car, because the seats go flatter when you fold the rears. So yeah. Now we're going to plug it back in. So this clip goes back in here. As you can see, you hear them click when they're back in. It's very hard to insert them with holding a camera, but there we go. Clipped back in. And now you guide these back onto here, so you want the seats to be facing back in, and then you push the seat in until you see the clips line up. So it looks like this one is now lined up, and that clips back in, and you can check by giving it a pull, and it'll clip back in the other side. So the other side, you can see the clip, and that's clipped in. And that's it, the seats are back. Quite easy to do, really. And there you go, seats are reinstalled. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions about Teslas or anything you want to see, leave a comment below and I will address it to the best of my ability. Hope you all have a good day. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you don't like it. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Lens Addict out.